Hi guys, my name is Nikunj Kandani. In our last lecture, we see how can set up Magento in our local system using Cloud Docker environment. Today, I will show you how can we run cron command in our Docker setup. Before we start our today's session, I will show you some useful command. Here I make some documentation. Here I am added in this command in our documentation. Here useful magento 4 command is the first command is bin magento command is so in our cloud environment, in our docker environment, we need to run docker compose run hyphen hyphen rm deploy magento command. It's our bin slash magento command that we use in magento, right? So as a bin slash magento setup upgrade, setup di compile, whatever we done, we need to use this command. Using this command docker compose run hyphen deploy magento command. Here I will just show you one command. So I'm copy this command and running in my container. So here I'm running this command is a bin slash magento command. Just I'm showing you. So yeah, this is a command is running successfully. Now whatever we do setup upgrade, yeah, setup da compile, setup static content, we need to append here. I'm just one clear adding the cache status, right? But I'm just running this command for just for knowledge purpose. Yeah, this command is working successful, right? So if you run setup upgrade, setup da compile, we need to use this command. Let's go next command. Next command is db access. If you need to access a database in command line, you directly get access without doing anything. You need to run this bin magento docker ec db command. So I'm showing this command, running this command and take access of magento's database. So here let's see, we see my magento database is accessible. Now I'm running the show tables. So here list of tables are showing. So this is where we can access database directly. Other is a varnish, flush varnish or flush redis. This command is when we use our setup with varnish or our redis. We need to use this command to flush the varnish case and redis case. Other command is docker useful command. This command is most important in our daily routine when we use magento setup with docker environment. So whenever we start any project, right, in our daily routine, we need to run that project containers, right? So first we need to run this command is a bin magento docker start. So suppose here I suppose is a current scenario, I'm running my system, I start my system and I need to work on magento's docker project. So I need to first of all run I need to run this command. So this command is start my all our containers, but the current as a current scenario in my system, my all our container are running. So it's directly give the status is done, right? So let's go in next command. Next command is bin magento docker stop. So when I am complete my task and I need to shift other project, yeah, I need to shut down my system, right? So I be careful, we need to stop the all containers. So I'm running this command. If I'm complete this my all task and I need to stop the container, or I need to move another project, another containers, so I need to run the existing running containers. So I'm running this command for the bin slash magento docker stop. So my all existing project means magento 2 docker container are now stopping. So now if I take access of website, it's not possible to take in this website access, right? So whenever I need again run my starting my containers, it take time because of I stop the container. So now next time if I start the container, it's taking a time. So now let's go on. Third is a docker compose ps, means if I need to check my docker compose is my current project container running or not. So from using these commands, docker compose ps, I want to miss, I'm able to check is container running or not. So give us 1 minute for this, so take the time. Yeah, it's all are starting successfully, and now I'm running and checking my container status now. So I'm running docker compose ps, so it's give the status of my containers. Suppose it's some containers up and some container exit means close stop, right? So as a docker environment, not all our container need to on up stage. So so is required container is only whatever is required container, all our containers working well. So here I'm seeking saying my all our other means whatever is required containers are running means this magento dockers container are running. So I am accessible this magento set site. So now I'm checking this magento to docker is, yeah, website is accessible, right? So let's go on next command. Next command is docker compose downv. Sorry, I'm not running this currently, but its command is if I need to delete my project setup, my current magento, so I need to also delete all containers and volumes, right? Because no, if I delete the project folders, but my containers are still in available in my systems, right? So it's a storage over space, right? Okay, so for the reason I will need to delete the all containers and volume. So using this command we delete the all containers and volume. Now let's come on our today's topic is how can we run our cron, right? So as per the current my working as a magento, here I'm seeing my cron is not running. So if my cron is running, so not any status is means not any one X status is re-index required, all our status may be on ready stage, right? So my cron is currently not running or not or I will show you is my what cron run commands given the message. So here for I'm showing one demo, my cron is running or not. As a bin cron magento is cron run is default magento command, but I'm showing is I'm able to access to cron run or not, right? So as a magento is set up in docker environment, which right? So as per this environment my cron is disable mode, right? So job were not format, right? So before means in our current as a if I say you have set up magento in your apache lamp server, right? So you don't need to require enable the cron, but if you set up your magento using cloud docker environment, right, we need to enable the cron. So for this here I also give one command to enable the cron, right? So I am copy this command and run the for enable the cron. I am running entering this command and run this running now. Now my cron is enable, right? So now I'm running the cron run command. Now I'm able to run this cron run command. So one if I now I run this command and now I'm checking here my some indexer are on ready state, either some indexer are on processing. If I currently still is not started, I maybe. So now I'm checking once more again here. Now still is not started. Yeah, now it started. Some one its status is completed and one status is on processing. So now my cron is working, right? So in magento's docker environment setup we need to enable the cron, or if you need to disable cron, The other one more command is available is cron disable. So you can use cron disable to disable your cron for your temporary process. You don't want to run cron, right? You can also disable the cron. So guys, I hope you will learn today how can we enable cron and how can we run cron in our Docker setup. I hope you also share my previous video with your friend and colleague. Please also share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channels, and whatever you want to suggest me for regarding the video, you can also put comment in our YouTube comment box. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, don't forget.